Hello, little artists! Today I will show you how to draw this giraffe. Are you ready? First, I will start with the muzzle of the giraffe, and I will draw it almost in the middle of my paper, maybe just a bit down. And I will draw it as an oval shape. Let's continue now with the head. Let's put the ears. The ears of the giraffe are a bit pointy, so I will draw them like this. And let's continue now with the horns. The horns look a bit like lollipop sticks. And now I will draw the neck. The neck of the giraffe is very, very long. And I'll draw it just like this. Let's draw the eyes. And the nostrils. And a big smile, because our giraffe is very, very happy. And as you know, the giraffe has very interesting pattern code. So let's now draw the patterns. And let's continue with the coloring part. I will use yellow and brown. First, I will start with the yellow. And the giraffe is ready!